Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you chest pattern with 3 color. You can use how many colors you want, you can use that. It's so simple but so beautiful. This is unisex pattern, you can use everywhere, everyone. I hope you like it. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful crochet chest autumn scarf. Let's start the crochet. I use 5mm hook and size 4 yarn and made 37 chains, multiples of 3 plus 4, okay, and its width is 25 centimeter. It's a scarf and you can crochet length nearly 2 meters. It's neat. I crocheted nearly 8 centimeter. I want to show you. I hope you like it. We start our pattern multiples of 3 plus 4 only one time. Okay. I use size 4 yarn and using 5mm 5mm hook with that scarf, and I want to show you with the cotton yarns. Again I will use 5mm hook. You can choose your hook proper to your yarn. Okay, first of all make a slip knot. Then chain multiples of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Plus 4. Only one time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3. Insert into the fourth one. Grab your yarn. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Count this chain 3 as the first double crochet. Make the second double. Next stitch the third double. Next stitch the fourth double. 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over. Skip 1, 2, 3. Insert into the fourth one and make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3, skip 3, insert into the fourth one and make 3 double. 1, 2, 3. When you come to the end of the row, you will finish your row as same as you will start 4 double crochet and make your last double crochet. Finish it like that. Not complete this double crochet and take your second color. Take it and take this tail like that. Chain 1 and turn your work. Not count that chain 1, insert into the very first stitch and make 1 more single. Chain 3, yarn over and insert your hook, which will skip this 3, the first one, and take them both rows, lose it and make a double. Yarn over, insert into the next one, grab your yarn and make 1 more loosey. Yarn over, insert into the next one, grab your yarn and make a loosey double. Chain 3, skip these 3, come to the skip stitch, insert into the first one, take them both of them pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the next, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the next, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 3, the same as the start, skip 3, insert into the fourth one, last one, and complete with a single. Not complete the single crochet, take your third color. You can make it 2 colors, a lot of colors, it's your choice. Okay, I take my third color, do the same thing, take it like that, and take this, chain 1, turn my work, do the first row again, completed 3 chains, count as the first double, yarn over and insert your hook from the first skip stitch, take these both loops, lose it and make a double, yarn over, insert into the next, make loosey double, yarn over, insert into the next skip stitch, make loosey double, chain 3, skip 3, come to first row's skip stitch, insert the first one, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the next, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the next, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 3, skip 3, come here, 1, 2, 3, and make a double crochet on the last stitch and not complete again. Take the first color and finish your row with the first color, chain 1 and turn. Now we repeat the second row. You will always repeat 2 rows, not count that chain 1, insert into the first stitch and make a single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, skip 3, come here and skip stitch, take it like that, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 3, skip 3, come here, 1, 2, and 3, chain 3, skip 3, and finish the row with single crochet, not close that single, take your second color and close the row with that, pull that yarn, chain 3 this time, repeat the first row, turn your work, yarn over, insert into the first one, make a double, insert into the second, make a double, insert into the third, make a double, 1, 2, 3, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and complete row with double, pull through 2, not close, and take the second color, third color, sorry, chain 1 and turn, repeat the second row, not count that chain 1, make a single, then chain 3, skip 3, come here and make your doubles, 1 2 3, chain 3, 1 2 3. Always repeat these 2 rows. You can use which how many colors you want, you can use that. I grow up like that. It's so simple, so fast crocheting, and so beautiful stitch. I like this chest stitch very much. I want to use it everywhere. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's unisex pattern. You can use everyone. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.